Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharya and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Practice of Brahmacharya, and friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay, and friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1 2 3 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay, and friends, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, if you want to connect with me, you can also connect with me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharya 1906. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU BHA 1906. Okay. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you will get the notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I covered the topic called Swami Sivananda, the radiant exemplar of Brahmacharya. Okay, so this was the topic, and in this next topic only, it is a continuation of this topic, and and this is Raj Yogic method, friends. Okay, it's a Raj Yogic method, and friends, I would like to tell you. It is one of the method of practicing brahmacharya. So there are different methods, right? So this is the method of Raj Yogic method. So I will start, friends. Okay, and this is 8 number video and the topic is Raj Yogic method. Counter react lust by the practice of purity. So here Swami Sivananda ji is telling us that we need to counter react our lust by the practice of purity. Okay, positive overcomes negative. So always, if we be positive in our life, and if we always think positive in a positive way, if we always think in a positive way in our life, so our negativity can easily get overcome by the positivity, friends. Okay, renounce passion for flesh by cultivating a burning passion for God realization. So, apart from cultivating a passion for flesh, we need to cultivate a passion for God realization, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us in this topic. This is Pratipraksha Bhavna, the method of adapting the mind to contrary positive virtue. So, this is the Pratipraksha method. So where what we'll be doing, we will be virtuing our mind and taking the focus to the positive thing, apart from because in the follow of brahmacharya there is many a times where negative thoughts comes in our mind, right? So apart from controlling our mind by not we will say not, no negative thought should come, no, I don't want any feeling of lust. Apart from this, what we have to do, we have to take our mind towards positivity. We need to plant positive thought in our mind, such as reading books or playing some sports or walking or anything or swimming, just taking our mind in a diverting it in a different place, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us in this topic of the Raj Yogic method. Pratipraksha Bhavana has 3 stages: one supersion, second substitution, and third sublimation. So there are 3 stages in Pratipraksha Bhavan, which Swami Sivananda is telling, that is suppression, substitution, and sublimation. So let us see what are these 3 stages. When the ripple of lust manifests in the mind lake, you should start mussing over evil after its effect. So whenever the thought of the lust keeps on coming in our mind, so which keeps us taking towards a negative thing, right? But at that point of time, we need to think about positive thing. We need to think that we need to follow for practice of brahmacharya, which is going to give us, because this brahmacharya practice is a very big rewarding and we are going to get very big reward in our life. So we need to practice brahmacharya, so we need to bring this thought into our mind, friends. Okay, have the clear understanding of the banful and shameful consequence of lust. So we should understand what are the banful and shameful consequence of lust. So if we fall in lust, what is going to happen with us, right? So we are not going to gain anything by falling in lust. We are not going to gain anything. We are going to lose each and everything, friends. We will lose each and everything. So it is very important for us to practice the practice of brahmacharya, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda ji is telling in this topic of Raj Yogic method. One should think that I have been gifted by human birth for the attainment of God realization alone. So we should always think that we have got this human birth only for the realization of God. We have came here to realize God, who God is, so that we could know our God, Lord Almighty. We have not came here to enjoy the lust, right? We need to overcome lust, and we need to do God realization in our life, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us in this topic. This dire enemy tries to throw me into the whirlpool of samskara, world process, by creating the painful impression and vasana, subtle desires in the mind. So yes, Swami Sivananda ji is telling that this enemy, he is calling lust as a very big enemy of the mankind, because this lust, this vasana, this desire take us and throw us very down in our life, right? And from where it is very difficult for us to raise in certain point of time. So it is very important for us to leave this negative vasana of lust, desire, and to perform and to understand the God realization, because we have came in this creation to understand God and to understand who is God. We have not came here to enjoy lust, because lust is not enjoyment, it is a very big punishment to the mankind, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us in this topic. Thus muzzing over the evil of lust, try to nip this vritti through wave in its very bud. So if we try to give oxygen to the lust, then our mind starts getting the wave of lust, and we just keep on dancing in the lust, in the thought of lust, which is very dangerous, friends. Okay, for the mankind. So yes, Swami Sivananda ji is telling we need to follow brahmacharya, and it is very important for us, and we need to definitely follow brahmacharya in our life for the growth and development purpose in our life, friends. Okay, then you should entertain the positive thought of purity, integrity, and essential divinity again and again. Entertain this counter thought with the feeling and firm assertion. So here Swami Sivananda ji is telling we should always give oxygen to our pure thought, to purity, integrity, and essential divinity. So we should always think all the pure thought. We should read good books. We should take and divert our mind in a pure and positivity in our life, right? Apart from thinking negativity in our life, which Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us via this video. I am Atman, pure, taintless, and divine. I am untouched by mind and senses. So we should always think I am Atman, I am a soul, and I am a pure divine, and I am untouched by the mind and senses. So we should not never allow mind and senses to touch us, right, friends? And we should always focus in the growth or development of our life, friends. Okay, by performing God realization, by reading books and performing all kind of good activities, apart from performing all kind of negative activities, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us in this video. I am growing day by day in the purity. Purity is truth while lust is false. So this is a very big important statement, friends. Okay, so here Swami Sivananda ji is telling I am growing day by day in purity. So we all souls are growing day by day in purity, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda ji is telling, and purity is truth while lust is false. So purity is the ultimate truth in our life, whereas lust is a very big false thing in our life, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us in this chapter of Raj Yogic method, friends. Okay, when an evil vritti is checked, it adds to one's will force. Thereby, one is able to check another's evil vritti. One moves from victory to victory. So, when an evil vritti comes in our mind, when an evil thought, and when a lustful thought comes in our mind, we should check. We should check every day. We should do a checking of the soul. In today's day, did any lustful thought came in our mind or not? We should eradicate lustful thought in our mind, and we should never give oxygen to the lustful thought in our mind, and we should always move towards victory, because positivity is victory. lust is dangerous, friends. Okay, we should leave lust from our life, and we should move towards positivity and God realization, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us via this video. Patanjali Maharishi says in Raj Yoga, Brahmacharya Pratishayam Virya Labha. When Brahmacharya is established, one attains Virya or energy. So, here in Raj Yogic method, Patanjali Maharishi always says that when a person follow Brahmacharya, he establish energy. Virya is energy. So when a person attains follows brahmacharya, he attains the energy. So it is very important for us to follow brahmacharya, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us via this video. Brahmacharya bestows abundance of physical, mental, moral, and spiritual energy. So, Brahmacharya bestows the abundance of physical, mental, and morals, and it is a spiritual energy, friends. Okay, so if we want to get spiritually uplifted in our life, it is very important for us to follow Brahmacharya, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us via this video. Not via this video, I am telling. He is telling in this Raj Yogic method via this chapter, friends. Okay, endowed with which sadhak is enabled to practice intense meditation on Atman and to break the knots of the heart, ignorance, avidya, desire, kama, and the action of karma. So here a person who is following meditation in our life, it is very important for that person to follow brahmacharya, because without brahmacharya he won't be benefited that much by doing meditation, friends. Okay, so it is very important for the meditators. So Swami Sivananda ji is here addressing to the meditators. So those who are daily meditators, it is very important for them to follow brahmacharya, and I urge everybody, to those who are seeing this video, that from today we all will follow brahmacharya in our life for our physical, mental, and spiritual benefits, friends. Okay, because it is going to make you mentally, physically, and emotionally strong. So it is very important for us to follow brahmacharya, friends. Okay, naya naya matma balhina labhya. The Katho Upanishad declares that the Atman cannot be attained by one who is distraught of strength. Brahmacharya verily endows one with abundance of the inner spiritual sense. So here Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us via this chapter, if we want to go to self-realization, it is very important for us to follow brahmacharya, because without brahmacharya it is very difficult for us to attain self-realization, friends. Okay, so it is very important for us to follow brahmacharya. So friends, this Raj Yogic method of following brahmacharya came to an end. So in our next video we are going to see the Bhakta method of following brahmacharya, friends. Okay, and friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video, so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay, and friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification, friends. Okay, and friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section, because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comment, friends. Okay, and friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee1906. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay, it's ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJE1906, friends. Okay, and friends, I always suggest you reading this book, because if you read this book, The Practice of Brahmacharya, it is going to give you a new 360-degree dimension in your life, and there are lot many benefits of Brahmacharya. So if you want to be physically, emotionally, and mentally and spiritually strong, so it is very important for all of us to follow brahmacharya, friends. Okay, and so friends, this brings to end of today's video. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I'll meet you in the next video. Okay, till then, goodbye, take care, friends. Okay.